Good morning everyone. Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to continue chapter 3 propositional logic. The objectives of my today's topic are you will learn simple laws on proposition, propositional statement and expression. Let us start with an example on page number 90. It is an exercise proof that the chain rule P implies Q, disjunction Q implies R implies P implies R is a tautology. Tautology means that the result should be all 1. Let M is equals to the given expression. Then we are going to create its truth table and plot the values. Now see, M is equals to P implies Q and Q implies R, N is equals to P implies R. Now in this statement we are having 3 variables P, Q and R. So how many values will be in my truth table? That is 2 raised to power 3, which is equals to 8. So we will plot 8 values of P, Q and R. It is term 0, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6, term 7. Now first expression is P implies Q. Now you know what do you mean by imply, if and then. So it means if P is either 1 or 0 but Q must always be 1, then my answer is 1. So this is P implies Q. 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, but 1 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1. So this is the result of P implies Q. Next is Q implies R, and this is we store in Y. Now Q implies R means again 0 0 1. If R value is false somewhere, then we will write 0, else we will write 1. 1 0 0. See, R is 0 now, false, so we have written 0. 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now we have done this is X, this is Y. Now next is X and Y, means X dot Y. Now is X dot Y, means X and Y. Here we will do multiplication. 1 1 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1s are 1, 0 1s are 0, 0 1s are zeros, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1s are 1. Means if any one of the value is false, answer is false. Next is N. N value is P implies R. Means if R is 0, then 0, otherwise it is all 1s. So P implies R means we have to see P column and R column. So now the answer is 0 0, that is 1, 0 0 1. All ones except this, like 1 0, here R is 0, so that's why it is 0. Here also R is 0, so it is 0. And at the end, this is M and this is N. Now we are going to do M implies N. So M implies N is, this is M and this is N. So it is 1 1 1. It is 0 only if N is 0, but you can see that N is 0 over here, but here it is also 0. So the answer is 1. So M implies N are all 1. Hence it is a tautology. The tautology is a statement that results in all ones. Hence verified. Next are the simple laws on propositions. Law 1 is P plus P bar is equals to 1, P dot P bar equals to 0. Now let us verify with the truth table. P value is 0 and 1. P bar is 1 and 0. Now P plus P bar, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Hence answer is 1. It is verified. Similarly, 0 ones are 0, 1 zeros are 0. Hence it is also proved. Law 2 is P plus 1 equals to 1. It means if 1 is added to any of the variable, it will always result in 1. And if 0 is added to any of the variable, then it will always result in that variable. See this law? P value is 0 and 1. P plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1. Similarly, P plus 0, P value is 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so we have done this, that the P values remain same when P plus 0 is there. Law 3 is P dot 1 equals to P, P dot 0 is equals to 0. As you know, anything multiplied by 1, the identity remains same. This is known as your multiplication identity. So you can see in this table, P is 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0. It is same as the multiplication rule, that anything multiplied by 1 remains same and anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Note, the operations on proposition result in true or false, which are denoted by 1 or 0 only. Next is propositional statement and expression. Now we are going to write the expression for these combinational statement. My example 1 is, consider the two given propositions. First is C, the car belongs to a doctor. Is it a proposition? Yes, it is a simple English sentence. M, the car is red in color. Now you have to write the expression of this combinational statement. So you can write, either the car belongs to a doctor and the car is red in color, means you have combined them using AND operator. Both the propositions are combined. Or the second way, the car does not belong to a doctor, means you have negated, and the car is not red in color. So these two propositions you have combined using AND OR operator. Now we will rewrite this. W is the variable that is storing this combinational statement. Now when we will rewrite, instead of this AND, we will write AND in uppercase. Why uppercase? Because in propositions we are using and OR in uppercase. So we can write like this, the car belongs to a doctor and the car is red in color. Or the car does not belong to a doctor and the car is not red in color. Students, this is in English language. Now you are going to write it in the form of variables. This sentence, the car belongs to a doctor, is denoted by C and means dot, and the car is red in color is M. So my first expression becomes C dot M. Next is OR operation. OR means plus. Now the car does not belong to a doctor. Does not, it is the negation of this C. So we will write C bar. And the car is not red in color. Not red means again M bar. But which is there? And means dot. So my final expression becomes Cm plus C bar dot M bar. Come to page number 92. So expression of W is C dot M plus C bar dot M bar. Now the second way in which we can write the combinational statement. Let the result store in variable V. The car does not belong to a doctor, but the car is red in color. In V, we can write the car does not belong to a doctor. It can be written like this. But means and, because it is there, but the car is red in color. So, and the car is red in color. Whenever there is but, we will use and. Now, this is the statement for C, and it is C complement, and means dot, and the car is red in color is M. So, my expression is C bar dot M. So, students, today we have done simple laws and propositions and propositional statement and expression. Do practice the examples on page 92 and 93. Thank you.